Filming another video. I just filmed one. We're gonna keep the same outfit on. I'm gonna put a little bit more lip gloss on. You guys, I've been loving these Anastasia Beverly Hills lip glosses. It came in a set of 1, 2, 3, 4. They look like this. And, oh, my nails are so bad. This is like a holiday set, but I've been loving them. Anyway, Walmart beauty box. I don't remember the price of this. I was thinking before I turned the camera on, I'm like, shit balls, I don't remember how much it costs. I think it was like $10, because this is a different box, I think. I'm so unprepared for this video, but I was like, I still have free time. I need to make another video. And some of you guys are like, we're not gonna do your research before making a video. I've gotten that comment so many times. Now, while I'm editing this video, I will look at my bank statement and see how much I paid for this box. Okay? Okay. All right, so the first thing is the little card. It says Walmart Beauty box. Create this spot. Oh, it smells good. I forgot what was in here because I just got it. There's something in here that smells really good. This says, create the spa experience at home with our lineup of pampering treats that'll leave you glowing from head to toe. Head to toe, head to toe, head to toe. Don't you know? First thing in the box is what smells good. It is this candle from Woodwick. Woodwick. This is the mini hourglass candle. Oh, I was gonna say. It says retails for $19.68, but that's the full size. I don't know how much this one retails for. But this smells really good. This is called Fraser Fir. And it smells like Christmas. Woodwick. It's got a wooden wick. It's supposed to be better or like cleaner burning than like a regular wick, I think. Okay, moving on. Next product is from NYX. This is the Fill and Fluff Clear Brow Pomade Pencil. It retails for $11. I did not know, I think I said this in a previous video, but I didn't know that NYX was sold at Target. I mean, nope, Walmart. I know NYX is sold at Target. I didn't know it was sold at Walmart. Mine at Walmart. I don't think my Walmart has it. Actually, I haven't been into a Walmart store in a minute. I've just ordered like groceries online from them. So I don't know. Yeah, but this is just a clear freaking eyebrow pomade pencil. It says amazing fluffing brush. Sorry, I'm obnoxious. Yeah, that's what it looks like. There it is. We have a nail polish from Essie. This is $8.97 in the color Mosaic on Down. Ooh, that's funny. Really pretty gold. This little packet right here is Vital Proteins Lavender Lemon Beauty Collagen. Full size retails for $24.98. It says nourish your inner glow with a delicious blend of collagen peptides, hyaluronic acid, probiotics, lemon, lavender, blueberry, and beets. Lavender lemon, like what? How do you do this? Do you mix it with water? There's no directions on here. Oh wait, there is. Combine one packet with 8 ounces of water. Mix thoroughly. If you're pregnant, nursing, or have a medical condition, consult a doctor before use, guys. I feel crazy saying this, but I had my 6-week checkup yesterday, and I was sitting in the waiting room looking around at the women with pregnant bellies, and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's never going to be me again. And I had very mixed emotions. Like, obviously, my last pregnancy was crazy, but still, there's a sadness. There's a sadness about it where I'm like, I'm never going to be pregnant again. Anyway, yeah, this. I don't know. I might try it. Skin, hair, nail, and joint support. I don't want to drink lavender, though. That doesn't sound good to me. Next thing in the box is from Tresemme. This is the Pro Pure Shampoo and Conditioner. Clean, gentle, professional, free of sulfates, parabens, and dyes. This is the, yeah, I just said it. Pro Pure Light Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. Let's smell it. Oh. Ooh, that smells really good. I just say light moisture. I want a shit ton of moisture for my dry ass hair. Guys, I don't know what is going on, but I have so much breakage. And this isn't postpartum either. This, I don't know. I think it was the meds I was on when I was pregnant. I don't know. Anyway, you guys don't care. Okay, next thing in the box is from e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Where are you? This is the e.l.f. Facial Oil Mist. Retails for $5. Infusing wellness and beauty. This collection of 6 custom mist. Oh, okay, so I got the calming mist. infused with lavender. Okay, I get it. Spa night, right? Didn't it say something about a spa? All right, I got a little boy in my arms. He woke up. 2 more things in the box. From Biore, these are the charcoal pore strips. I've tried these before and I actually don't like them. I like the Biore nose strips, the regular ones, but the charcoal ones kind of smell a little funny and I didn't really like it. So not really excited about this. There's one in here. And then the last thing in the box is from Bliss. Oh, my battery's gonna die. Okay, I gotta hurry. From Bliss, this is the holographic foil eye masks. Depuffs and brightens, it says. Yeah, it awakens eyes while reducing puffiness and dark circles. I'm actually excited for this. Okay, so that's everything that is in my Walmart beauty box. Again, I don't know how much I paid for it. I want to say it was like $10, maybe $12. As far as is it worth it? I think it is. I think it is. I'm excited for the candle. I'm excited for the shampoo and conditioner, the nail polish. I mean, the nail polish alone is almost $10. So I think it's worth it for sure. I will link the Walmart beauty box